Going folks, this is Wayne R back for another lesson, and today we're going to be covering the A major chord. Okay, so this one is that one. Basically we've got 3 fingers all on the same fret, all in a row. Okay, so I'll show you how to do that one. So we want this first finger that's going to go on the D string on the 2nd fret. The 2nd finger's going to go directly underneath it on the G string, and the 3rd finger's going to go on the B string. Now this is a bit of a squeeze getting them all inside the fret, so if you can get your first finger as close to the 1st fret as you can, okay, but not touching it if you can help it, and the other one, and get them all sort of in a diagonal so you can get them all squeezed in there. Okay, and on this one we're going to be playing the bottom 5 strings, so it should sound like this. So this is the A major chord. And again, if you've got big fingers like me, banana fingers, you can actually use different fingering on this. You know, there's no written rule that says you have to use your first 3 fingers. If you're like me, you've got quite fat fingers, what I actually do is use my last 3 fingers. So where the 1st finger would go on the D string 2nd fret, I'd use my 2nd finger. Okay, the 3rd finger underneath it, and then the little pinky underneath that one. It makes it a little bit easier for me. I don't know, you know, it might for you, it might not, but as long as it sounds right, as long as you're not taking shortcuts and it's not sounding quite right, but as long as you're getting that. The bottom 5 strings this is, so we're not playing the thickest E string, just the bottom 5 strings. And another chord that's sort of related to this one is Asus4. I'm going to show you this one because it's just a case of moving one finger. Okay? So this is the Asus4 chord. And basically, so it's exactly the same as the other chord at the starting point. We're using the 1st finger on the D string 2nd fret. The 2nd finger is going to go on the G string 2nd fret, and the 3rd finger is going to go on the B string but on the 3rd fret. So it's all almost like we've moved that finger up one. And again, it's the bottom 5 strings. So as you can hear, there's a very different sound to that one. So that one's an Asus4 chord. So we've got the A major, and the Asus4 by moving the 3rd finger up one. Okay, so today I'm going to show you a little riff as well, just carrying on from the Smoke on the Water riff that we did. It's just a 1-string riff again, just to get you playing something you can show off to your friends. And it's going to be another One Bites the Dust by Queen. Everybody knows that song. I always play it when the people are walking out on my gigs. It's a good one to get down. So I'll just play the riff first, and it's, again, like I say, it's on the bottom, the thickest E string. Okay, so it's basically going 0, 0, 0, that means no fingers on, 0, 0, 3, 0, 5, 5, 3. Again, so it's 0, 0, 0. It's important to get the rhythm on this one as well. The next bit goes 0, 0. So it'd be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 3, 0, 5, 5, 3. And if you can as well, it doesn't really matter at this stage if you are using one finger, because I know it's very difficult as a beginner, but if you can do it with the 1st and the 3rd finger, might be a bit tricky at first, but in the long run you're going to find it much easier. You know, you're not going to be moving up and down the fretboard everywhere. Okay, so I hope you get a lot from that. I will see you in another lesson very soon. Thank you very much.